Hard disk drives. Hard disk drives are used in desktop computers, laptop computers, TV and satellite recorders, mainframes. Advantages of hard disk drives: large capacity, faster than optical disks like DVDs, persistent storage. Disadvantages of hard disk drives: release on movies parts, disk surface can be damaged, heavy power consumption, noisy, slower read and write speed than RAM. Solid state drives. Solid state drives are non-volatile storage device capable of holding large amounts of data. It is used generally of storage device. SSD used flash based memory which is much faster than traditional hard disk. SSD has increased the speed of computer systems because it can access data rapidly as compared to magnetic plants. SSD is connected to a computer using started IDE of SATA connections. Applications of SSD. SSD is used in smartphones, tablet computers, latest laptops, two devices, desktop solution, HD video cameras. Advantages of SSD: high speed, more durable, more compact, less noise, low power consumption. Disadvantages of SSD: expensive, less strong space than HD, limited lifespan, data recovery is near to impossible. USB flash memory. USB is also non-volatile solid state storage device. It is a plug and play device, which means we do not need drives to run a USB device. Its strong capacity is up to 1 TB. Applications of flash memory. USB memory sticks, saving and transferring documents etc. Memory cards in digital cameras. Advantages of USB drive: cost effective, high speed, suitable size, less noise, plug and play. Disadvantages of USB drive: source of sparing malware, limited lifespan, security threats, risk of losing. Control unit. Control unit manage the entire functioning of the computer system. It is of one of the most essential components of the computer system. The control unit collects the data entered using the input unit, leads it on for processing, and once that is done, the output is presented into the user. It can be considered the center of all processing actions taking place inside a computer device. Basically, the instruction taken, interpretation of inter data, issuing signals to execute the data, and the finally retrieving the data is all known is the control unit. Arithmetic logical unit. As the name suggests, all the mathematical operation are performed in the arithmetic and logical unit of the CPU. It can also perform actions like calculation or compression of data and decision making actions. The ALU consists of circuits using which addition, subtraction, multiplication, visions less than, greater than, equal to, and other numerical based calculations can be performed. Working